Alrighty, I have just plugged in this iPhone right here that I got off of Amazon. This is the iPhone 6S 64 gig version. And as you can see, there's no SIM card installed, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that open on the side and install it from an old iPhone. Alrighty guys, so we are coming with a refurbished iPhone directly from Amazon. I'm very incredulous about this because the only time I've ever purchased an iPhone is from the Apple Store itself. And this was a phenomenal deal. And is this really gonna practice what we preach? I don't know. So we are following along the process. As a matter of fact, I got two of the identical iPhones. These are 64 gigs worth of memory in this iPhone 6S. Actually, not this one, that's the old one. But this is the new one right there. As you can see, I'm charging it. It came with about a 20% charge. I got that one and that one. One is for my wife and one is for me. Now first, before you do anything, get your old iPhone. This is Verizon, by the way, I'm with Verizon, and back it up on your computer through iTunes. And then once it's completely backed up, then start with the installation process. You might have to update the firmware. I'm not gonna show you my pin. And hey, it looks like we are ready to go. Yes, that is purposefully fuzzy so you can't see all of my sensitive information, but we're gonna make it unfuzzy, nice and focused right there, so you can actually see what you are probably getting as a refurbished phone. Now, of course, this is hit or miss. There are a lot of different sellers out there and they are all selling different refurbished iPhones. I got these two iPhones from the exact same seller and there are absolutely no blemishes on this thing. It even came with a screen, little protector thing on it that I just easily peeled off. Of course, it was one of those temporary screen protectors, not a permanent one. And yeah, it came about 20% charged. You probably will have to update the firmware on this thing because it is basically a factory reset. And then once you get your old phone, it does come with a tiny little thing like this, and then you're gonna pop this into the side of your phone, and there's a little hole right there. And once you slide that in there, a little tray will come out with your SIM card. And once again, this is a Verizon phone, and I'm gonna take my Verizon SIM card and I'm going to place it inside here, following the exact same methodology that we just used to remove the SIM card. So using this little tool that they provide, put it in the little hole, out pops the tray, place the SIM card in there, and then you will be able to then update the firmware. Once it's all updated, simply plug this back into your computer, which as you recall, we've already done a backup on iTunes with the old phone, and simply restore your backup on this, which is what we have just done over here. So let's go ahead and start it up and see if in fact it has loaded all of our settings. And I have just entered my username and password after installing the firmware update. Yes, my SIM card is in the side. And this is the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look at that. And it is restoring because I selected it to restore from iCloud. That's fantastic. Now, I would recommend actually restoring it from your computer since it's probably going to be faster. It's downloading the entire package over Wi-Fi right now. But you know what? I'm happy. It's actually working. Really impressed. Already, I have found with first impressions the sensitivity of the touch. You don't realize with your old iPhone how your touch sensitivity has diminished, and yet this is like instantaneous. I was typing in my password and it's like a brand new phone, even though it's the same model technically, the iPhone 6S, but this is completely wiped. The battery life appears to be charging just fine, unlike my older iPhone. So highly recommended, give it a shot. Of course, be sure to look at the return policies. Every seller is different. Preferably go through a prime, get it prime shipped because that means that Amazon typically stands behind the product and returns are much, much easier if in fact it turns out that this phone is not what it practices, what it preaches. But so far, in both identical phones that I got off of Amazon, the iPhone 6XS 64 gig versions, flawless, highly recommended, awesome bang for your buck. My name is Beau. Hope that this is helpful in determining whether or not these iPhones are good for you. What do you want to say?
Bye.
That's right. Bye.